Well, hello and welcome. Welcome to a 4 AM Vandal vlog. And yes, 4 AM. As the saying goes, the early bird catches the early worm. But how early do you... Oh, it's a fridge. Oh, it's an early worm. Hold up. Speak of the devil. Turn this off. Oh, what? Chaos as usual. Hold up. Shut up, man. So as I was saying, early bird, early worm. And it's always a ruddy fridge, isn't it? Oh, ow. There you go. Shut up, man. And a nice bit of mixed cable. Oh, my tub's in the back. Oh, organised as usual. Yes, it is 4 AM and the chaos continues. Welcome. Again. If the scrappers are getting up early, which they are because they're absolutely everywhere, there's only one thing to do. And let's get up even earlier. Get the gloves. Some snips. For some snips. This is all going wrong here. Hold up. I missed that on the way up. Take that. Right, so I don't think there's going to be much around here. Oh, what's that stoplight come on? Everything's going wrong. Now I've got a light on the dash. Oh, now it's gone. That's right. Oh, that's fixed. I'm a mechanic. Right. I'm going to stop looking around the estates for the moment. I'm just going to make my way to the dumpsters, to Adam's precinct, as we used to call it. I haven't been there in ages. I want to have a good little mooch around there. So I'll catch up with you guys momentarily. So I'm sure you can't even see anything anyway. Well, here we are. Some of my OGs, you should recognise this place. Fridge freezer's still here. Gonna look. Here last time. Still the same, they must still be shut then. Oh, there's a delivery driver there. So there's a lot of activity for like 4 o'clock in the morning. them bad boys. Grass there, is it? I am temporarily littering. It's not bad. Let's see what else we can find. See what other goodies we can come up with. It's looked like the homeless have been here. Oh, it's a bit chilly. Oh, I thought it was metal then. Huh. It's nice of them. Metal then. That ain't changed much since last time either. Sit around here, there's that little bit down there. Let's try that, couldn't we? Last time I was here, there's quite a bit of stuff down there. Windy. Hello. It's like a Hoover was sacrificed here. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, wasn't expecting those either. Well, that's just jolly good times, isn't it? Jolly good times, that is. That's an all my days moment. But as usual, I forgot my line. What's that down there? What? take the cord. Definitely take these bad boys. What's that? Is that metal? Yeah, it is. The wheel cap. Take them. Oh yes. I'll even tidy up a bit. Leave it better than you found it. That's not long. That's not my line, by the way. It's Fub's. So if you don't know who Fub is, go and check out Fub print. If you don't already know. I mean, what if you don't? What's the matter with you? Stop talking. Just pick the bloody things up. Right. Let's put these back, and then I'll go back for our little adventure. Oh, there's some stuff in there I picked up earlier from my buddy. And I need to organise this van somehow. I'll do it later at Greg's. For now, we're busy. The adventurer in me wants to go up there. Oh, that was glass weighing scales, wasn't it? It's been there quite a while. Fair game, isn't it? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, there he is, pigeon. Found some scrappy bits. That's still attached. And a trolley. Out of the way, trolley. Chair. Up chair. Oh. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry about that. Just get the crap out of me there for a second. Pictures. I'll be out of your way in a minute, and I'll leave you to it. Okay. I'm just going to pick up this scrap because it is it's a hindrance, isn't it? You don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. So if you don't say anything, I'll take it, and then we'll just be friends. Okay. Cool. Nice meeting you guys. What's this graffiti saying on here then? Oh. That fence was slippery. I wondered whose that van was then. It was mine. God, that's heavy. That's a heavy bit of light iron there. It's gonna be fun getting this out. At least don't poo on me. But it was nice meeting you guys. Take care. That looks like it belongs on the back of my van window. Get off, plastic. If that's not a rear window guard, I don't know what is. Or an allotment thingy. It's something. Might take it. Oh. Whoopsie. Oh, that's a score, that one. That has many uses. Oh, get this in the van. It's alright, isn't it? It's actually too big. That's what she said. Get in there. It's got to be annoying as hell, isn't it? Sorry, skateboard. Ow. Bloody chaos as usual. All this just for a bit of light iron. Boom. Is that a fox? There's a fox. Hey, that's good luck at the moment. Skip there. Unauthorised vehicles will be clamped. Well, I have authorised myself to park here. I have been approved for authorisation. Can't talk. Don't know what I'm talking about. No idea. Called or not to be. Definitely not. They left nothing. You got to respect that, I guess. Oh, they left a bit of aluminium though. And a little bit of oh, another bit of aluminium. Wow. Oh. Thought I was late to the party then. What was that there? Is that the side of a washing machine? That is the side of an appliance. Oh, it's actually a cooker. Where's the rest of it? I don't see any more oven parts. Some little bits, take them. Just leave it out for the scrappers. What we're going to get out of here, I think. Is that metal? It's plastic. I was a bit late to this party, wasn't I? Couple of bits of extrusion. Is that aluminium window frames in there? Oh yes. Any more of that stuff? Look at that. What you call a bit of wire. And it starts raining. Good times. Yeah, I'll get up there if I have to, don't you worry. I was a bit late to this party, wasn't I? Really like some more of that cable. I think that's it, guys. That's it. Been here a bit too long. Let's get this stuff back to the van. Not too bad. Tidy up in here. It's not a bad little haul. I'll take it. All adds up. Oh gosh, I haven't been to this one in ages. It's not these. Huh? Trolleys. Trolleys. Who wants a trolley? It's over here. What? Where's the bins? Bins? I see no bins. reorganised, have they? This used to be a honey hole. These bins used to be here. Crazy. Well, they've cleaned up. I mean, they've cleaned up massively. This place used to be a mess. So that's good. Yeah. Oh well. It's good times. They've been cleaned up around here. Maybe they've been watching more videos and they were exposed. Damn it. No scrappy bits for a vandal. Oh well. But well done. Good job. Good job. Good to see the streets are being kept clean. Right. Let's go and drive the route, shall we? Or route, or route, whatever the hell we call it. Let's go and see what we can find. In the trash. Oh, has it gone? Is our favourite skip gone? It sure is. Damn. Oh, that's sad. Oh well. Things have got desperate. You didn't see anything. I didn't see that. He said, "Okay, vandal. See you later." So we've got a couple of bits here. Fridge here, recording it. I'm sure I just saw 2 heaters. Oh yeah. Take them. I'll take anything right now. Sweet. Why the hell not? Well, it's that time again, people. It's time to make a sacrifice to the scrap gods, because we need all the help we can get, because we're not getting much. So I'm going to grab me some food and a coffee and a refreshing drink, and then we're going to give this van a tidy up and we're going to hit the road. Oh, do you want a front row seat? Look at this, check this out. Boom. Boom. And there it is, the Gregs of Love. A convicted paedophile, allegedly, but you know, I mean, not allegedly, convicted. But yeah, but it's not the chicken bake's fault. Do you know what I mean? You know, some people have said maybe you should boycott Greggs, but I mean, it's a franchise. You know, as a family, a normal family owns this, you know, the rights to sell this food and stuff. So it'd be a bit harsh to avoid the chicken bakes, because Greg is a monster, basically. Anyway, I shall now wander indoors and enjoy the warmth and smell and food of what Greg has to hold inside.